All right, I'm in Fort Lauderdale right now, getting ready to take the Riverfront Cruise. It goes up and down the New River here in Fort Lauderdale. I'm going to give you a comprehensive review of the tour and tell you a couple things about it. My wife and I have taken sightseeing cruises around the world, and we love seeing how each sightseeing cruise is unique and how each city uses their waterways differently. The 90-minute Riverfront Cruise starts in downtown Fort Lauderdale, cruising past many different bridges, luxury condominiums, homes, condos, and million-dollar mansions towards Port Everglades. One thing about this tour is you're going through the New River, which is very quaint, very small. You feel like you're right in people's backyard. It's beautiful. We suggest heading straight for the bar once you board the Riverfront Cruise and get yourself a nice cold drink quickly, because you won't want to miss the many sights along the way, including the Stranahan House, gondola boats, water taxis, fishing boats, other sightseeing cruises, and luxury yachts. And if you're interested in buying a new home, then certainly a lot of houses for sale here along the New River. So if you're in the market for a new house, definitely there's a lot of options. As you cruise along the New River, you'll notice the boat itself has an open air top deck, making it easy and ideal to take pictures during your cruise.
If you really want to know, I'm full of self-doubt. And to be honest, it has never brought me down. I'm really glad I'm not walking.
Alright, the thing I like about this tour is Dylan's narration is spot on. I like his voice, he's got a good narration.
If you do take a look over on the front left, you can see the empty lot over there with the palm trees and rocks on the corner, the for sale sign on it.
Alright, it looks like we just came out to the port of Fort Lauderdale and turned around, so I think this is the southernmost direction that we go. And now we're going to go back towards Fort Lauderdale Beach and then back up the New River. The Riverfront Cruise is very relaxing, and you get to see parts of Fort Lauderdale that can only be seen by water. Thankfully, your tour guide is very knowledgeable of the area and will point out all the historic spots and share stories of the famous people's homes along the river, like Wayne Huizinga, Michael Egan, and the $6 Million Man. All right, when you cruise the New River, it's like the rich meets the old, and you see old apartment complexes like that you know is not million-dollar houses. You got old homes like this next to huge condos like that. The residential diversity you find on the New River is unlike any place else in the world. And right there's the Stranahan House, the oldest home in Fort Lauderdale. That used to be an old hotel, but that was the oldest home in Fort Lauderdale.
I don't take part in your big search for who you are.
Alright, just got done with my Riverfront Cruise tour, and what I really liked about it is it went through the New River. And the New River, in the beginning, it goes through this windy little path, and you feel like you're right on top of the homes. You get some really nice pictures. Then it opens up to a huge bay. You kind of get a little far from everything, but just as nice. And then it takes you to kind of like Fort Lauderdale Beach, and then it kind of loops back around. I really like the tour. It gives you a different perspective of Fort Lauderdale. It gives you a different perspective of what's going on. And the most interesting aspect of the whole cruise is that in the beginning of the New River, you have condos, you got million-dollar homes, and then you got these little historic homes, these regular, efficient apartment complexes. So you got a total variety. It's like an eclectic mix of different types of homes, different types of things in the New River. But something definitely to do while you're in Fort Lauderdale, and I would definitely put it on there. The bathroom definitely smells nice. I don't know what they did, but the bathroom smells great. And if you happen to get on there, Dylan does an excellent narration. His voice is perfect. But anyways, that's my narration. That's my comprehensive review. I hope that you go ahead and take the Riverfront Cruise. To purchase tickets to this cruise, check out this video's description. Then after purchasing tickets, exchange them at their ticket booth located along the New River in Fort Lauderdale.